Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely stunning Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 RR. Here we have an Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 RR. This is a 2015 bike on a 65 plate with just 8,848 miles, one owner from new, and a full service history on mileage. What do we mean by that? Well, we mean that the mileage services have been done, but it may not necessarily be serviced every year. Because to be honest, it's not really necessary. This bike is in immaculate condition. It really is stunning. You've got a tail tidy there. You've obviously got the back seat, which is standard, and the rear pegs are present on this bike. Standard exhaust. I mean, these things sound absolutely fantastic anyway, even with the standard pipe. And that standard pipe is unmarked, just like the rest of this bike. It really has been fantastically well looked after. No marks on the rear wheel at all, and no signs of any corrosion whatsoever. Got a brand new rear tyre there as well. Suspension unit tucked in there again, no corrosion, no damage anywhere, as you can see all along the back there and in there. As you can see, you've got that Bosch IMU there as well, providing all your traction control and your anti-wheelie and the race ABS and everything you get on basically a naked superbike like this. Bar end and lever and the mirror all absolutely unmarked. As I say, this bike is probably the cleanest example of one of these bikes I have seen. All the bodywork there in fantastic condition. You can see there the engine, no marks on there, the frame, again, all absolutely unmarked. Here's your confirmation of your ABS, and of course that's race ABS on this one. You also get a Quickshifter, which is the up and down Quickshifter as well. And the front wheel, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches at all. You've got an R&G Radiator Guard there as well. The front of the bike's all in excellent condition. There's no stone chips, no scratches, no damage of any kind. It really is an absolute beauty. And that lower mud guard there, as you can see, no damage on there either, and again a brand new front tyre. The left hand side of the bike, that's as clean and tidy as the right, again with no damage to the mirror. The bar end, all the lever, all the fairing there, such as it is in excellent condition as well, and your bodywork there down the side, again unmarked, not even a stone chip on it. It really is in fantastic condition. The engine there, all again unmarked with no signs of any corrosion, no paint flaking off, anything like that. And your front forks on this side, again, all good. And the front wheel is in perfect condition. Chain sprockets, all in excellent order as well. No marks on the foot pegs there. No marks on the rear panel either. And the petrol tank, again, in superb condition, no dings, dents or scratches. No rips or tears in either of the seats there. You've got the tank pad just protecting the back of the tank, and again top of the tank in excellent condition as well. Handlebars, you've got your controls for all your various whiz bang gadgets that this bike's got, and your digital dash there as well with the analog rev counter. So this bike is in fantastic condition. It's an absolute weapon as well. If you are looking for a superb, super naked, look no further than this beautiful Aprilia Tuono 1100 RR. So as I said, these bikes sound absolutely brilliant, even with the standard exhaust. Let's fire this one up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this amazing Aprilia, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. I'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.